What if I told you the reason you're not sleeping well isn't your phone, your stress, or even your mattress? It might be your air. Yes, the air inside your bedroom could be filled with invisible toxins, dry particles, and low oxygen levels that quietly drain your energy every single night. Just one plant in the right spot can completely transform your sleep, your mood, and even how you feel when you wake up. In this video, I'm revealing 5 powerful bedroom plants that don't just look aesthetic, they actively clean your air, boost oxygen, and create a calm, sleep-friendly vibe. And make sure you stay until the end, because plant number 1 is known as the bedroom oxygen machine, and most people are using it wrong. 1. Snake plant, the oxygen machine. If you only choose one plant for your bedroom, make it the snake plant. This plant is famous for doing something almost no other plant does. It releases oxygen at night instead of during the day. That means while you sleep, it's quietly improving your air quality and helping you breathe better. Snake plants are also incredibly powerful at filtering toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene, chemicals that can come from furniture, paint, and even cleaning products. Over time, these toxins can affect your sleep quality and overall health without you even realizing it. What makes this plant perfect for bedrooms is how low maintenance it is. It thrives in low light, doesn't need frequent watering, and actually prefers being ignored. If you're someone who forgets to water plants, this one will still survive and thrive. Place it near your bed or in a corner of your room, and it will silently work like a natural air purifier all night long. 2. Peace lily, the calm energy booster. If your bedroom feels dry, dull, or a little lifeless, the peace lily is exactly what you need. This plant doesn't just clean the air, it also increases humidity by releasing moisture into the environment. That makes it perfect for improving breathing, reducing dry skin, and creating a more comfortable sleep environment. Peace lilies are known for removing harmful toxins like ammonia, benzene, and mold spores from the air. This is especially useful if your room has limited ventilation or if you live in a humid climate where mold can become a hidden problem. But beyond its benefits, there's something about the peace lily that instantly changes the mood of a room. Its dark green leaves combined with elegant white blooms create a calming, almost spa-like atmosphere that helps your mind relax after a long day. Keep it in indirect light and water it when the leaves start to droop slightly. It will literally tell you when it needs care. 3. Spider plant, the beginner's air filter. If you're new to plants or think you don't have a green thumb, the spider plant is your best friend. This plant is one of the easiest houseplants to grow, yet it's incredibly effective at removing toxins like carbon monoxide and formaldehyde from the air. It works fast, adapts easily, and grows beautifully without much effort. One of the most unique things about spider plants is how they produce baby plants, also known as pups, that hang down like little green stars. This makes them perfect for hanging baskets or shelves, adding a soft, natural aesthetic to your bedroom. Another huge advantage is that spider plants are pet-friendly, so if you have cats or dogs, you don't have to worry about safety. They thrive in indirect light and only need occasional watering, making them perfect for busy lifestyles. 5. Aloe vera, the healing plant. Aloe vera isn't just a plant, it's like having a natural first aid kit right next to your bed. This plant is well known for its soothing gel, which can be used for burns, cuts, and skincare. But what many people don't realize is that aloe vera also helps purify the air and release oxygen, making your bedroom environment healthier. Aloe thrives in bright, indirect sunlight, so placing it near a window is ideal. It stores water in its thick leaves, meaning it doesn't need frequent watering, perfect if you prefer low-maintenance plants. There's also something very calming about having aloe in your room. Its clean, structured look gives off a minimal, peaceful vibe that fits perfectly in modern bedroom setups. Think of it as a plant that not only improves your air, but also takes care of you. 5. Pothos, the effortless beauty. If you want a plant that instantly makes your bedroom look aesthetic while also cleaning the air, Pothos is the one. This plant is famous for its trailing vines that can grow long and lush, making it perfect for shelves, hanging pots, or even letting it cascade down furniture. Pothos is extremely adaptable. It can survive in low light, tolerate irregular watering, and still continue growing. That makes it ideal for bedrooms where lighting conditions aren't perfect. It also helps remove indoor pollutants and improves overall air quality, making your space feel fresher and more alive. Whether you want a cozy jungle vibe or a simple green accent, Pothos delivers effortlessly. So, now you know, your bedroom isn't just a place to sleep, it's a space you can upgrade with life, energy, and clean air. Start simple. Even adding just one of these plants can make a noticeable difference in how your room feels and how you wake up every morning. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more plant care secrets, indoor jungle ideas, and tips to transform your space. And comment below, which plant are you adding to your bedroom first? Because once you start, you won't stop.